Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back and I'm here to show you all how I washed my scalp and not my locks. Now I have my locks in these rope twists. Shout out to Tando Kafele, the king of lock, who installed these twists for me. And my plan is to keep them in for about a month, maybe 6 weeks if I can handle it. If it doesn't look too crazy by then, I will wash the twists, but just not yet. Um, with it being July, my scalp gets sweaty and I already just always wash my scalp every 2 weeks. So that's just what my scalp likes. So I start off with fully saturating my scalp as best as I can with the spray bottle. So I only showed you some of the misting, but I really did a lot of spraying so that it's fully saturated. And then I go ahead and grab my Loc Detox Clarifying Shampoo and I put some in my hands and then I like rub it onto my scalp and then I go ahead and use this toothbrush to scrub my scalp. Now this is a soft bristle brush, so it's not painful at all. It actually feels really good. It was a sensation that I felt like I never felt before, and I really liked it. That's one thing. Shout out to people who have short hair or like no hair, because the scalp, just like just touching the scalp, it can like give chills to the body. I don't know. It maybe it's just me. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about getting your scalp stimulated. But this felt really good. I made sure to go ahead throughout all my parts and brush and brush and brush. And I did have to go back and re-wet my brush, of course, and I did have to go back and add some more shampoo, but that's to be expected. And it just felt really good. It was really soothing. So this is definitely something that I want to encourage you all to try if you like scalp sensations, if you like scalp stimulation, definitely go for it. And this is gonna really help to break up any dried up sweat on my scalp, any flakes, dandruff flakes that I may have had, and just gonna really reset my scalp in a real way. It felt really good. Like I can't emphasize that enough. It felt so good, and because my hair is in twists, I believe that really helped me to maintain my retwists because I'm brushing my scalp hair like not. I mean, I think I'm being pretty gentle, but I could have been a lot more gentle. I could have been gentler, right? I mean, the retwists stayed intact because of the twists. So this is why this is a great method to use while your hair is twisted. If you um, if you have your hair in twists or in braids, this is a great time to use this scalp cleaning method because it really can be effective at cleaning your scalp while maintaining your style. And we want that. We don't want to have to take our hair out of the braids or our twists just for a wash. I mean, obviously, washes are very important, but sometimes we have to wash prematurely and we don't want to get rid of our styles yet. So I went and I massaged with my fingers afterwards. So after I massaged my scalp, I went ahead and washed it out. I literally only rinsed my scalp, or I should say I rinsed the hair closest to my scalp, because the whole purpose was that I didn't want to deal with wetting all of my hair. I just didn't want to deal with that. So I did a pretty good job at rinsing it out thoroughly. So now this is later on the same day after my hair has been towel dried, and it still feels a bit damp on my head. The length of my locks are pretty dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on with my moisturizing routine. I'm using the rose water moisturizer all over my scalp and all over my hair. It's being very thorough. By the way, if you're watching this video the weekend that I shot it, then you can head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and use the code ROSE30 and get 30% off all your rose water products. So that includes the individual rose water moisturizer like the one I showed you. That includes the refill bottle, and that includes the bundle with the both. So you can stock up if you want. And This product is perfect for this time of year. It's gonna help your hair stay hydrated through this intense summer sun. It's gonna help your hair be more malleable, so it's easier to style. It's gonna help your hair if you have color treated hair, if your hair is brittle for any reason. This is your product. It's gonna help you. It's gonna help your hair retain a youthful, shiny, soft look and feel. So that's something we all want. I'm going ahead and oiling my scalp with the Urban Lime Oil, which is almost gone for the season. So definitely grab yourself a bottle of Urban Lime Oil if you want. All right, grab yourself a couple to hold you down until next spring. Grab yourself a few. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and massage that in. And I was really surprised at how refreshed I felt after doing this. I'll definitely go for it again before I go ahead and wash the twists, because it didn't even make my hair as frizzy as I thought it would. I thought that my roots would be really frizzy, and it's just minimally frizzy, right? You see my parts are still pretty perfect. It's not very puffy, just a little bit. Nothing a satin scarf can't fix. So I'm gonna go ahead and go outside in the sun, and I just sprayed my hair with the rosewater moisturizer, so that acts as a heat protectant, so I'm good. I'm gonna just spray some sunblock on my skin, and then I'm gonna go outside and let some sun dry my hair for me. So don't forget to use code ROSE30 to get your rosewater moisturizer from KeishaCharmaine.com today, this weekend, all weekend long, all right? Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, leave me a comment below letting me know what's your favorite summer lock style. Let me know. Leave a comment below. Love, light, and locks.